While removing the intake manifold from this 1948 Indian Chief cylinder, we ran into something unexpected. The intake manifold nipple, the threaded insert that the manifold attaches to, had become loose. The retaining rivet that locks it in place had also worked loose over time. At this point, the nipple is still seized with the nut, so it can't be simply unthreaded and replaced. With the cylinder removed, I was able to unthread the nipple. To remove it, we drilled out the rivet, but unfortunately, the drill wandered slightly and the hole ended up being on a bit of an angle. We were able to remove the rivet, but it didn't come out cleanly, so now we need to decide what the best repair approach will be. If anyone in the vintage Indian community has dealt with this before, I'd appreciate hearing how you repaired it in the comments.